Hello friends, welcome to my channel El Devanshi Study Shack. Today we are going to deal with a very important basic topic of chemistry, that is elements and compounds. So before going to the main topic, we should first know what are pure substances and what are impure substances. Pure substances comprises of element and compounds, whereas impure substances comprise of mixtures. Now, what are pure substances? Pure substances have a definite composition. They have definite set of properties such as boiling point, melting point, density. They are fixed, they are homogeneous. Homogeneous means they are uniform throughout. Example, all elements and compounds. Then now the question arises, what are impure substances? Impure substances are made up of two or more pure substances. Means either they are combination of elements or combination of compounds. They are mixed in any proportion and they do not have a set of properties. They retain the properties of their constituent substances. Impure substances are mixtures. They can be homogeneous or heterogeneous in nature. Example, air, sand, stones, sugar solution. Now, let us study what are the common day-to-day life pure and impure substances. In day-to-day life, pure substances we come across are most of the metals, gases, example copper, iron, helium, water, salt, sugar. And which are the common mixtures we come across or impure substances? They are sand and water, tap water, air, oil and mixture. Now, let us be more systematic in our study. Let us try to understand pure substances in detail. Now, pure substances we already know they are elements and compounds. So now, what are elements and what are the type of elements? We already studied that in the previous slide. But we should know elements are basically with unique properties and they cannot be simplified further. Example, metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. These all in detail we'll be doing in my next video, part 2. But for now, you should at least know that there are 4 types of elements: metal, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. And compounds are pure substances and they can be either inorganic or organic. The details about them will also be discussed in later stages. But you should know about compounds that they can be separated only by chemical means. Now, last but not the least, we shall be discussing about mixtures. So, mixtures are of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixtures, here there is a uniformity of distribution of constituents. We cannot separately see them. Example, milk, salt solution, medicines. There are many components in a cough syrup, but we cannot distinguish them separately. So, this is nothing but a homogeneous mixture. Whereas when we go to heterogeneous mixture, the components are not uniformly distributed. We can easily separate them. Example, water and petrol, sulfur and iron fillings, sand and salt. Guys, if you like my video, kindly subscribe it. I'll be uploading details about elements, about pure substances in my next video. Thank you.